What's the weather like where you live today? It's June in my hometown. It's early in the morning, and it's already starting to get hot. In summer in Vietnam, from May to July is the time when lotus blooms. The pure, simple, gentle, and fragrant beauty of the lotus always makes people passionate. Going around the countryside these days, it is not difficult to see lotus ponds with red, pink, blue, and white colors blooming. Not only is it a beautiful flower, the lotus also carries many meanings. It is a simple flower, a symbol of Buddhism, and the national flower of Vietnam. With a pure, faint fragrance mixed with a little sweetness from the lotus petals swaying in the breeze, it cools the blazing summer sun. Standing in front of the lotus, it seems that the human soul becomes quiet and finds peaceful values amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Also, at this time, the grapefruit garden began to bear fruit on the trees. The Soi Ha grapefruit variety is a specialty sugar grapefruit variety grown in my hometown. Due to its suitability for the soil here, the sugar grapefruit tree produces large fruits, juicy segments, and a refreshing taste that is known to many people and has become a famous fruit. Local specialty fruit. Grapefruit on Soi Ha Street has a large fruit, thin skin, smooth yellowish-green color, and looks very eye-catching. When peeling large grapefruit cloves, the peel has a gentle aroma and a cool, pure sweetness. Grapefruits from old grapefruit trees usually have small stems, thin, smooth skin, weigh from 0.7 to 1.2, and are usually tastier than grapefruits from young grapefruit trees. The harvest is from September to the end of October every year. Like all types of grapefruit, Soi Ha grapefruit provides fiber. Vitamin C, B2, P, carotene, and trace elements, such as potassium, phosphorus, iron, are very beneficial for the body, especially for patients with high blood pressure, arteriosclerosis. Harvesting a big grapefruit crop with big, round, succulent fruit is the dream of farmers. To ensure the fruit has sweetness, juicy shrimp, and even segments, in addition to applying NPK synthetic fertilizer, you also need to add composted manure, soybeans, corn powder, and soaked small fish in a certain ratio. Normally, the time it takes for grapefruit to flower until harvest lasts 7 to 8 months, depending on the age of the tree, season, and growth status of each tree. Fertilizing plants usually has 2 stages. Stage 1 is when the tree has just set fruit. This is the stage when grapefruit needs a lot of nutrients, especially protein and trace elements, to promote rapid fruit growth, reduce the rate of young fruit loss due to lack of nutrients, thereby improving crop output, bringing high economic efficiency to growers. Stage 2 is after the grapefruit bears fruit for about 2.5 months, like my family's current grapefruit garden. During this period, it is necessary to supplement nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to increase fruit quality. As I usually use NPK fertilizer with an amount of about 500-700 waters per tree per application. This type has been pre-mixed to suit the climate and soil, as well as the characteristics of the grapefruit tree in my hometown. It is very easy to dissolve, allowing the tree to absorb nutrients most effectively. Thanks to the mild climate, fertile soil accumulated by the Gam River, and the diligence of farmers, Soi Ha grapefruit grows quickly and produces sweet fruit. A grapefruit tree has a lifespan of 5 to 7 years and can produce up to 200 fruits per year. With early harvest characteristics, large, beautiful yellow-green fruits are easy to preserve and can be left to wither naturally for several months. The price on the market ranges from 15,000 to 20,000 VND fruit, so it has also become the main source of income for many families and helps people in my hometown eliminate hunger and reduce poverty. In my garden, there are more than 50 grapefruit trees. Every tree is full of fruit. As long as you take good care of it until the harvest season, you will have some money to cover your family's living expenses. After fertilizing, it was about 7 a.m. I drove my motorbike about 10 minutes to my cornfield. There, I also planted several large banana bushes. Banana trees can utilize all the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits for many different purposes. Bananas contain a lot of nutrients, especially potassium, which is beneficial for heart health, helps improve the digestive tract, helps control blood sugar, prevents anemia. From green to ripe, you can use it. Okay, banana leaves are used to wrap food, wrap cakes, or serve as animal feed. Banana leaves contain a lot of potassium, polyphenol, and vitamin C. When banana leaves are used to wrap food, and especially when steamed, the content increases. This nutrient will seep into food, making it more delicious and adding nutrients to the body. Banana flowers are not only used to prepare food, but are also used to make medicine, supporting the treatment of constipation, reducing inflammation, reducing swelling and ulcers, or reducing menstrual pain in women. That's because banana flowers contain large amounts of flavonoid antioxidants, proteins, and many other vitamins. Chopped banana stems can be used as animal feed or used to prepare family dishes and used as a medicinal herb with the following effects. Supports weight loss and weight control because banana stems have a lot of water and fiber, creating a feeling of fullness for a long time. Juice from banana stem has cooling, detoxifying, and diuretic effects, preventing kidney stone formation, as well as supporting the treatment of urinary tract infections. Promotes the body to produce insulin, control blood sugar levels, and prevent complications of diabetes. Supports the prevention and treatment of anemia because banana stems contain a lot of iron and vitamin B6, reducing symptoms of headaches, dizziness, vertigo, etc. Reduces gastric acid concentration, overcomes heartburn caused by reflux, and improves the health of the digestive system. Today, I cut down 2 large trees. The tops and leaves were cut into small pieces for the buffalo to eat, and the trunks were brought back to feed the family's pigs and chickens. Banana leaves are a useful source of roughage in many tropical countries. In particular, it can be used as emergency food in case of drought or food shortage. Stems and leaves can be fed separately or mixed together. They can be fed fresh or dried in the sun, chopped. After resting, I went back to the field and cut the banana tree in half for ease of carrying it back. There was so much work to do this morning that I had to take the time to cook rice bran to feed the pigs. The first thing is to take the banana stem and chop it. The banana stem is the main stem of the banana plant. The remaining part after the fruit and leaves have been removed. Banana stems are fibrous, cylindrical, about 10 to 30 centimeters in diameter, and can be up to 1.5 meters in length. It is usually white to light blue in color. When choosing banana stems, choose stems that are firm, have no blemishes, and are not cracked or discolored. Banana stems can be grassy or woody depending on the type of plant and the environmental conditions in which it grows. Grass stems are often flexible and soft, while wood stems are usually sturdy and grow over time. The flexibility of the banana tree trunk is one of the important characteristics that helps the tree withstand environmental changes without being damaged. The inside of the banana stem usually contains a soft and flexible fibrous core, called the core wall. This core wall holds water and nutrients, providing support and nourishment to the plant. It also helps convey water and nutrients from the roots to other parts of the plant, and also helps provide stability and balance to the plant during changing environmental conditions. The banana tree trunk develops from the growing point of the branch, called the cap. This sensor is where new cells grow, creating new leaf stalks and other parts of the plant. This process continuously takes place, helping the banana tree maintain its youthfulness and continuous growth. The surface of the banana stem may be smooth or may have small leaf segments close together, creating raised patterns. This diversity reflects the distribution of the tissues and structures of the banana plant, as well as the interactions between it and its surrounding environment. Young banana stems can be used directly to replace vegetables and duckweed to feed pigs, chickens, ducks, etc. As for old banana tree trunks, when people want to increase their nutritional value, they need to slice them thinly and chop them into small pieces and put them in a pot to soak. When feeding them to pigs, Mix them with appropriate bran, such as rice. Banana tubers are made into banana powder to feed pigs instead of bran. Pets prefer to eat banana stems that have not yet flowered, rather than when banana plants have flowered, because banana stems, when flowering, contain fishy substances that make it difficult for pets to eat. In addition to taking advantage of available food sources to increase fiber in the diet, farmers in my hometown also use banana trees instead of medicine as a trick to treat diseases that pets often encounter, such as diarrhea, increasing lactation, and treating pigs with white stools. After chopping half of the banana stem, I will take it away to feed the chickens. The chicken coop I am raising has about more than 100 chickens. Based on the experience of raising chickens in particular, and poultry in general, of farmers like me, feeding chickens with banana trees will help them get more fiber for their health. Meal. Up to now, using bananas as food has been applied in many different models, and they have worked quite well. More specifically, after feeding bananas to chickens, chicken manure can be reused to fertilize banana plants, complementing each other to form a closed ecosystem. Banana trees are also easy to grow and grow quickly, so there is no fear of food shortage. This is a very economical method. To get food from banana trees for chickens is a very easy job. Usually without processing, we can also see chickens often pecking at banana trees to eat. Processing just makes the chicken's eating process easier. After harvesting the banana, we can cut the tree down, remove the leaves, and chop the banana stem into small pieces. Chickens can eat chopped banana stems directly, but for best results, they should still be combined with some other nutrients from dry food, such as bran or corn. At this time, the banana stem will stimulate the digestive system so the chicken can absorb nutrients better. Normally, cooked bran will be used a lot. Drop chopped bananas into the boiling bran, then let it cool and feed it to the chickens. Food from banana tree trunks will also help chickens fight inflammation and infection and increase resistance to common diseases. I took the remaining half to cook rice bran to feed the pigs. Put the banana stem with a little water on the stove to boil. I often use dry firewood collected in the garden as fuel. Pig waste can also be used to make biogas to both protect the environment and save costs for the family. In my hometown, almost all livestock households are treating waste from pig barns with this method. While I prepared food for the pigs by cooking bran, my husband also started cleaning the cages and bathing the pigs. Barn management is not simply the provision of food and water, but also includes cleaning and preserving the pigs' living environment. Although cleaning pig barns seems simple, it actually plays an extremely important role in ensuring the health and preventing diseases for pigs. If their living environment is not maintained clean, pigs' resistance can be reduced, leading to a higher risk of disease. One of the biggest challenges in managing pig pens is removing accumulated mud, manure, and stains. This job not only requires patience, but also a lot of time and effort, especially when the number of pigs in the barn is large. If not cleaned and sanitized regularly, these dirt can become a source of disease infection, seriously affecting the health of the pigs. Properly cleaning the barn can help pigs feel more comfortable, eat better, and especially minimize the risk of infectious diseases. In my family, we usually feed pigs 2 main meals, morning and evening. Before each meal, I will clean up leftover food and remove feces from the cage to make cleaning easier. Then, I use a hose to wet the entire cage, soaking and softening the dirt before spraying the floor and bathing each pig. In addition, the feeding troughs and other items in the barn are also cleaned thoroughly before the pigs eat. A dirty pig barn environment not only affects the health of the pigs, but is also the cause of many diseases, of which diarrhea is a typical example. This disease is often caused by bacteria and viruses found in pig feces. If the barn is not kept clean, these pathogens can quickly spread within the herd, leading to the risk of disease outbreaks, causing great economic loss, as well as serious health effects. Of pigs. To improve the efficiency of cage cleaning, Families who can afford it can invest in a high-pressure washer. Using a washing machine helps remove mud, manure, and stains quickly and effectively, and also helps protect the health of pigs by preventing infectious diseases. The washing machine also helps clean the floors and walls of the barn, minimizing odors, creating a cleaner and more comfortable living environment for the pigs. While I prepared food for the pigs by cooking bran, my husband also started cleaning the cages and bathing the pigs. Barn management is not simply the provision of food and water, but also includes cleaning and preserving the pigs' living environment. Although cleaning pig barns seems simple, it actually plays an extremely important role in ensuring the health and preventing diseases for pigs. If their living environment is not maintained clean, pigs' resistance can be reduced, leading to a higher risk of disease. One of the biggest challenges in managing pig pens is removing accumulated mud, manure, and stains. This job not only requires patience, but also a lot of time and effort, especially when the number of pigs in the barn is large. If not cleaned and sanitized regularly, these dirt can become a source of disease infection, seriously affecting the health of the pigs. Properly cleaning the barn can help pigs feel more comfortable, eat better, and especially minimize the risk of infectious diseases. In my family, we usually feed pigs 2 main meals, morning and evening. Before each meal, I will clean up leftover food and remove feces from the cage to make cleaning easier. Then, I use a hose to wet the entire cage, soaking and softening the dirt before spraying the floor and bathing each pig. In addition, the feeding troughs and other items in the barn are also cleaned thoroughly before the pigs eat. A dirty pig barn environment not only affects the health of the pigs, but is also the cause of many diseases, of which diarrhea is a typical example. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you who took the time to watch this video. Your support is a great motivation for me to continue sharing useful knowledge and experiences in animal husbandry. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our latest videos. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Also, we highly appreciate your feedback. Please leave your thoughts or questions in the comments section below so we can discuss and share experiences together. Thank you very much.